everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to log in Character.AI account. Now to do that, first thing you need to do is open a Google browser and then on the search bar you type in beta.character.ai and press enter. This will open the official web page. Now once you're at the official web page, you need to click on login over here. Character.AI is a artificial intelligence that creates character using a artificial intelligence technology. This can include natural language processing models, machine vision, speech to text, and other computer models as well. They work together to create a social and dynamic nature of human interaction. So once you're at this official web page of the Character.AI, you will see this on your screen. If you click on the Google, Facebook, Apple, or Discord, you will be able to easily log in with just one click, as you have logged in or you have linked the social media platform with your Character.AI account. The another process is you can provide your email address and password to get logged in. So type in the email address, then you need to type in the password. Once you provide both the details, you click on continue. And with that, you will be easily logged in into the account of yours. So this is the way how you can easily log in into the Character.AI account of yourself on PC. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.